Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another hair video, and today's wig is from YGwigs. So I'm working with the 13x6 ombre wig. As you guys can see, I really like this wig. I think it's so cute. It's just very easy. This was so quick, so easy for me to install and style as well. So this is a 20-inch wig, and the density of the wig is 180. So and for 180 density, this wig feels really full. It feels really full. So yeah guys, so if you want to see how I installed and styled this wig, then make sure you stay tuned and carry on watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Okay, so I've got this wig on from YGwigs. So this is the 13x6 straight ombre brown wig, and guys, this hair feels extremely soft. So the density of the hair is 180, and it feels really full for 180. So this is a 20-inch ombre brown wig, and it's a 13x6 lace front wig as well. So the parting goes all the way to the back, as you can see. So now I'm just going to go ahead and install and style the wig. The wig came pre-plucked, and okay, well, not pre-plucked, I'll say it came with a natural hairline. As you can see, I could go in and pluck this a bit more, but because of the style I'm going for today, I'm just going to leave it like this. And it came pre-bleached as well, so I really don't have to do anything to this wig aside from install and style the wig. So I'm going to start off by cutting off the sides. Now I can put this behind my ear. So you always want to make sure you cut the sides off, just so you know the wig fits comfortably around your ear and you're able to glue it down like so. I'm going to use my bed head spray to install the wig today.
Just pulled up to the house, don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window.
Okay, so I'm done installing the wig now, and this is what it looks like. It doesn't look too bad, because I was saying, I could have gone in and plucked a bit more, but this is okay. So now I'm just going to go ahead and style the wig. It already came styled as a midi parting, so I'm just going to continue with that.
I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your winner. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Better way. Oh, Mom and Dad's only daughter. Do I make you proud? Writing my life in lyrics. Do you like the sound? Seeking approval constantly. When it's my truth I own, I speak, it don't make sense now. Give it a cut, yeah. Put that on cut when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go pull with that jump off my back. 'Cause I've been working all day. Can a nigga catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. 'Cause I've been working on.
Guys, when I tell you, this hair feels so nice, and I really like the density. So this is 180 density, but it feels really full, and the quality of the hair as well just feels really good. And this is me done. This was so quick and easy to install and style, like, because it already came pre-styled anyway, so I didn't really have to do too much to the wig.
Can a nigga catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her.
And this wig is definitely perfect for summer. Like, it doesn't require for you to do too much to it. So quick and easy to install, quick to style as well. So,
Space, you can
Guys, I just think this wig is so cute, and I really like the length as well because it's not too long. It's just the perfect length for like an everyday type of wig, you know. So this is really cute. So like I said, this wig is from YGwigs, and this is the ombre wig. I don't know if you guys can see, it goes from black to brown. That's so cute. And this is the 13x6 lace front wig, and I know for a fact that if I was actually to style this wig properly, like, the lace is really good as well. So it literally just melts in, as you can see. This wig is so cute, but this is what it looks like. So I've just literally curled the hair going, instead of going away from my face, I've curled it going towards my face on both sides. So yeah. And they're very affordable as well. So I'm going to make sure to list all the links that you guys need to know down below. So please make sure you check the description box for anything you'd like to know. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.